Hello guys! Today we're making a fantastic side for your Thanksgiving dinner. This is not your regular side. Instead of doing glazed jams and just adding sugar for the sake of adding sugar, this side is a jam with a red wine glaze. This little touch with more body, more consistency, a little bit of acidity, this will make these jams way different than your regular jams. Trust me. And your family is just going to love it. Let's start by steaming our sweet potatoes, orange and purple. I did that because the flavors are way different and also it's fun the colors as well. Steam it for 15 minutes or until soft. Don't overcook them. Now in a pot, add the red wine, the agave syrup. This is going to balance the acidity in the wine and make it sweeter without adding tons and tons of sugar. Then we're going to infuse it with a few sprigs of thyme just to add that earthiness and that really amazing flavor of the thyme. Cook for 25 minutes or until the wine is reduced by half. After you check your sweet potatoes, as you can see, the sweet potatoes are still firm. So I didn't overcook them. So try to don't overcook them because if not, they're just going to disintegrate in the pan. We're going to sear them with a little bit of oil in a medium heat pan because we want to add that color before we add the wine. We're going to sear them for about 1 minute each side, then add a little bit of the wine until covering half of the sweet potatoes. Then using a spoon, we're going to start basting the sweet potatoes with the wine reduction. Be careful to don't splash yourself with the wine. Just push the sweet potatoes to the top of the pan and with the reduction, start basting them. When it starts getting thick, we're going to add a little bit of vegan butter. It's not necessary to add a lot. With a very little butter is going to help you to emulsify the sauce. As you can see, the sauce is looking really good, thick, beautiful and glossy. Just make sure all the butter is emulsified with the sauce. I want some. Okay, now turn it off and we're going to start plating. So in a plate you can spread them all out or you can put them one next to each other. In this case, I just put some purple sweet potatoes in one side, some orange sweet potatoes at the bottom, and then on top, kind of like building a little mountain. Then on top, I'm going to put some of the sauce, and as you can see, they are really glazed. Like all the reduction stick to the sweet potatoes. And we're going to top it with some lemon zest to add that citrusy flavor and some chiffonade kale to add that herbbiness and also freshness to the dish. And voila, this is it! Isn't it look so beautiful, so tasty, so inviting for Thanksgiving? I really want to eat this on Thanksgiving. And actually I'm gonna make it myself. When you cut it, you still have the color of the orange sweet potato. And the flavor is just coated in the sauce. It's just heaven, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the button and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching.